Good morning, everybody. My name is James Williams, and I'm an English language teacher and language scientist from the United States of America. And today, in $1 English, me and my team were here to teach you English in daily life and literally in daily life. So let's start right away. Today it's pretty sunny and it's a happy day, and I feel happy as well. So, how can you express yourself? How can you say I'm happy without using this word? So, let's use an idiom on cloud nine. So, on cloud nine, it means that you're happy. So, let's put in a sentence together, and we may say, today I'm on cloud nine because the weather is sunny. I'm on cloud nine because the weather is sunny. See you again in one more video.